Welcome back to the Ryk and Dad channel. Today we are learning about chess. Let's get started. So Ryk, when you're setting up a chessboard, how do you know what side it goes?
The white needs to be on the right.
That's correct. Where does the rook go on the chessboard?
It goes on the sides.
And how does the rook move?
In a straight line, like a straight line.
Yep, that's right. Where does the knight go?
The knight goes next to the rook.
That's correct.
And it makes an L shape.
It does make an L shape. What about the bishop? Where does the bishop go on the board and how does it move?
The bishop goes next to the horse.
The knight, yep.
And the bishop goes sideways, like diagonal.
Yeah, diagonal, yep. What about the queen? How do you know where the queen goes?
The queen goes on its own color.
That's correct.
Next to the bishop.
Yep. And how does the queen move?
Any of the moves from any character except the horse. It can't do an L.
Yeah, so it can do all the moves except for the knight. That's correct. And where does the king go?
The king goes next to the queen and on its opposite color.
And how does the king move?
The king moves one square, anywhere one square.
That's right, anywhere where it's not in check. That's correct. And where would the pawns go?
All in the front of the chess characters.
How do they move? Can you show me?
They could go in the beginning 2 times or 1 time, but when it's past the 2 times or 1 time, they can only go 1.
And when they attack, how do they attack?
Diagonal.
Diagonal, 1 move diagonal. That's it, perfect. So thank you for showing everyone how the chess is set up and what each piece does and how it moves. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Join us next week for some advanced chess tips.
Bye!